So these front few here are the seeds that I collected at Disney World. This one here in the orange colored pot I collected from the Animal Kingdom Lodge on September the 24th, 2021. The seed actually germinated on October the 21st of last year, so this one's just over a year old. These next few also collected at Disney World. This one was at Adventureland, the entrance to Adventureland there at Magic Kingdom. Got a few of these. Collected these on September the 26th, 2021, and they actually germinated also on October the 21st. This one's growing up out of the soil. And then the last two here, this one and this one, I collected at Animal Kingdom Park at Walt Disney World. Those were collected on September the 26th, 21, and they actually germinated also on October the 21st. So all of these are from Disney World. These are doing quite well. Thank you for watching the videos, and thank you for subscribing. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe. It doesn't cost anything, it's free. It does help the analytics and help my channel grow. And stay tuned for more updates on my other palm trees that I have growing, other plants, and some exotics and tropicals. Thank you for watching.